Hi everyone, good morning. I'm so happy, I'm very excited to have Tom Hamblyn from Lenovo with us here today. Hey Tom, welcome to Dicker Data.
Thanks,
so
Ruchi.
happy, always good to see you at Cornell. So would you just like to introduce yourself and what you do?
Yeah, sure. Hi everyone. My name is Tom Hamblyn and I'm the Smart Collaboration Practice Lead for Lenovo Australia and New Zealand.
I know at Lenovo, we talk about smart collab business in a big way, but can you simplify that?
Good point, Ruchi. It's all about hybrid working, smart collaboration, digital workspaces these days. The smart collaboration business is really around the meeting room experience. It's as we're returning to the office, we're doing more video calls than we ever have. And it's about how do you get the technology in those spaces to power your organization's ability to collaborate smartly.
Cool, collaborate smartly. That's nice. But this space, this industry, how big is it?
It's quite large, Ruchi, and obviously spurred on by the pandemic that we've just been through. So Microsoft put out some data recently across Australia and New Zealand that there are 500,000 meeting rooms to go after. With an average cost of maybe $5,000 to $10,000 a meeting room, that's a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. And I don't know about you, Ruchi, but property prices are going up, cost of living is going up. Anytime I hear of a multi-billion-dollar opportunity, I get excited, and I think that's an opportunity for our partners to go after and really land some high-quality business.
We have a multi-billion-dollar Teams room or meeting room market here in Australia. And out of which right now we've just penetrated 20% of that, yeah?
Exactly.
So there's 80% on the table.
Obviously in history, there's been a lot of government customers, a lot of large enterprise customers that have traditionally had video conferencing spaces. However, they definitely didn't have the volume of video conferencing spaces that they need to power their organizations today. So still a large opportunity in those sort of large government, large healthcare, education and enterprise spaces. There's also a very new emerging opportunity in these smaller organizations where many of them may have just had dialing before or were happy to use their laptop as a conferencing device. Now that those meetings are kind of constantly being video meetings, even those organizations are looking at getting smart collaboration technology and running on platforms like Microsoft Teams, Zoom or Google Meet.
So if I'm a service provider, could be a managed services partner, could be some other services, could be a security side, specialist, whatever. But I do have that engagement with an end user. And hey, we've already established that most end users could need this particular requirement. So all I need to do, how do I start? I have to just reach out to Dicker Data teams, to reach out to the Lenovo teams, and just bring that opportunity, and then we will handhold them to successfully deploy and help them learn and gain that expertise as they go along. Am I right in kind of extrapolating that?
No, definitely, Ruchi,
Yeah.
and that's why I think it's so important to work with partners like Dicker Data, because Lenovo has that full menu of hardware and services, and to a partner that is currently doing certain aspects of those services, they might feel that it's overwhelming, but by working with yourself, you can sort of work with that partner and myself to say, well, what are the items on the menu that this business partner needs to make a happy customer?
I can vouch for that, Tom. I remember one of my customers was short of a cable length, and all I had to do was, we made one call and you were shipping out your personal cable 9 meters long, and that saved the day. So that's how closely we work with Lenovo and the team at Dicker Data engage with our partners to make sure they have a successful deployment. So Tom, thank you so much for coming down. Thank you for the insights. To all my customers who out there, could be managed services partners, whoever, if you've been doing what you're doing and you're doing a damn good job of it, you are sitting on this silent opportunity. Spot that and don't hesitate. We are here to help you. Lenovo teams are here to help you. The entire length and breadth of Dicker Data teams are there to support you take that journey, and we win together. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Think Smart Collab, think Dicker Data. Thank you.